Hi everyone and welcome to this new video, guys. Welcome to Fix It Free. So in today's video we're gonna be talking about why you should stop using Windows 7 and go on and use Windows 10, move on Windows 10. So there is a lot of reasons why you should stop using Windows 7, and one of them, guys, as you can see here, Windows 7 now the password of Windows 7 now easily can be bypassed by anyone. Anyone can hack the Windows 7 password. Believe me, guys, the security of Windows 7 is broke. There is no security guarantee anymore. If you lose your computer, if your computer got stolen, or you lose your computer, or someone has access to your computer, your data are not protected anymore with a password. Anyone can access to your data. And actually a friend challenged me to bypass his password on Windows 7, and I did it easily, watching only those first video on YouTube. And that's why you should stop using Windows 7. And one other thing to add is that most of the software and the program and the scripts that are coming out in this year are not supported by Windows 7. So, and if you are also a gamer, most of the games that are coming now doesn't support Windows 7. So stop using Windows 7. And one thing that I will add is also the material, or all the materials that come out has a lot of problems with Windows 7. Me personally, I have a laptop that running Windows 7, and my microphone doesn't work well with this Windows 7. It can be a camera, a new camera, it can be a keyboard, a gaming keyboard, a mouse. All what I want to say is that this device will not perform the best as it will do in Windows 10. So guys, I hope you like this video, and this video is about why you must stop using Windows 7. And guys, if you want to do a clean installation of Windows 10, the link is below on how to install Windows 10 on your computer. Thank you guys, and don't forget to check out the video in the description or the end screen. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.